Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then by using this tool we are going to fold it inwards once and then we are using this clip in our hair, and after that we are going to divide our pony into 3 parts and then joining it with this pin. After that we are going to take all of the remaining hair and then joining them together with the help of a rubber band, and then we are going to fold it with this pin into a bun and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take a pony, then we are going to loosen it and adding this pin underneath it. After that we are going to take the rest of the hair and then applying a rubber band, after that folding it inwards with the help of this black pin and your beautiful bun is ready. Next we are going to take all of the hair and dividing them into 3 parts. Then we are going to make a simple braid as you can see, and then we are going to secure it by using a rubber band. After that we are going to loosen it up a little bit, then folding it out into outward directions and then applying the spin into our bun and your hairstyle is completed. Let's move ahead towards the next one. Here we've taken a pony, then we are going to loosen it up, then applying this colorful pin underneath it, then taking the remaining untied hair and applying a rubber band on them. Then we are using this black pin to convert it into a beautiful bun. Thanks for watching.